Top 6 Best Telescope. Top 1. Celestron 70mm Travelscope, Portable Refractor Telescope, Fully Coated Glass Optics, Ideal Telescope for Beginners, Bonus Astronomy Software Package. Superior Optics. The Celestron 70mm Travelscope features high-quality, fully coated glass optics, a potent 70mm objective lens, a lightweight frame, and a custom backpack to carry it all. Its quality is unmatched in its class and against competitors. Powerful eyepieces for up-close viewing. Our telescope for astronomy beginners is equipped with two high-quality eyepieces, 20mm and 10mm, that provide low and high-power views of celestial objects at night and terrestrial objects during the day. Large 70mm objective lens. Our refractor telescope is equipped with a large 70mm aperture objective lens that provides enhanced, brighter views compared to the 50mm model, while adding very little additional weight. Top 2. Celestron PowerSeeker 127EQ Telescope, Manual German Equatorial Telescope for Beginners, Compact and Portable, Bonus Astronomy Software Package 127mm Aperture. Perfect entry-level telescope. The Celestron PowerSeeker 127EQ is an easy-to-use and powerful telescope. The PowerSeeker series is designed to give the new telescope user the perfect combination of quality, value, features, and power. Manual German equatorial mount. Navigate the sky with our Newtonian reflector telescope. It features a German equatorial mount with a slow-motion altitude rod for smooth and accurate pointing. Adjust rod to desired position, then easily secure by tightening cross knob. Compact and portable. This telescope for adults and kids to be used together is compact, lightweight, and portable. Top 3. TELMU Telescope, 70mm aperture 400mm Arizona Mount Astronomical Refracting Telescope. ADJUSTABLE 17.7 in 35.4 in, portable travel telescopes with backpack, phone adapter. High-quality optics 400mm, f5.7, focal length and 70mm aperture, fully coated optics glass lens create stunning images and protect your eyes. Perfect telescope for astronomers to explore stars and moon. High magnification come with two replaceable 1.25 Kelnary YEPIECES K6mm 67x, K25 16x, 5x24 finder scope with mounting bracket and crosshair lines inside make locating objects easily. Top 4. TELMU Telescope, 70mm aperture 400mm Arizona Mount Astronomical Refracting Telescope. Celestron AstroMaster 70AZ Telescope, Refractor Telescope, fully coated glass optics, adjustable height tripod, bonus astronomy software package. Powerful refractor telescope. The Celestron AstroMaster 70AZ is a powerful and user-friendly refractor telescope with fully coated glass optics, a sturdy yet lightweight frame, two eyepieces, a red dot finder scope, and an adjustable height tripod. High-quality 70mm optics. Our Celestron telescope features a powerful, fully coated 70mm glass optic objective lens. Erect image optics allow you to observe celestial objects at night and terrestrial targets like wildlife and landscapes during the day. Top 5. Wireless digital microscope. Handheld USB HD inspection camera 50x 1000x magnification with stand compatible with iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, Android, Mac, Windows computer. App provided. Optional software for iOS, Android, Windows 7, 8, 10 XP, OS X. Can work with all smartphones like iPhone and Samsung, Windows computer, tablet and MacBook. Magnification and high definition, 2 million pixels, 1080p HD picture quality, 50x 1000x magnification can meet your daily needs. Top 6. Gskyer Telescope. 80mm Arizona Space Astronomical Refractor Telescope, German technology scope. Ultra-clear refracting telescope. With 400mm focal length, an 80mm aperture to capture more light picture, an optical glass coated for enhanced image brightness to protect your eyes. Optimum magnification 3 replaceable eyepiece, 16x, 40x, 80x, with a 3x Barlow lens. 630 finder scope with mounting bracket or rect image diagonal make locating objects more easily. Adjustable tripod. This telescope allows for many different viewing positions with an adjustable tripod. Adjustable full-size tripod ensures a stable platform. Applicable use. This telescope is quick and easy to set up even. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.